Hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Ruyilam. It's Ruyilam video conference lighting kit. Full disclosure, I did receive this as a sample from the company to go over with you guys. With this, a lot of people are using these ring lights now, whether you're doing it for your YouTube channel, you're doing Zoom conference meetings, anything like that, these ring lights are very beneficial. One nice thing with this is it does have two options on how to use it. You have the clip here that you can simply apply to the base. Like so, it just slips right on there, and this is going to allow you to clip onto like a laptop or anything like that. And then it also comes with this small little gorilla type tripod here as well. So as you can see, you can just simply twist it on there, and then you got the nice little tripod also. So with this, it does utilize a USB plug port here. As you can see, I have it plugged into the wall now. And then it also comes with this little control switch here. So you have your different modes and on off. So I'll go ahead and turn it on here for you. As you can see, it is a very bright light. So with this, it does have the different modes. So you can go from the white LED to the amber light to a more cooling LED as well. So it does have those three colors there. You can do up and down for intensity of the light. I'm turning the intensity down, and then you can also turn the intensity of the light up however you want it. But like I said, it is a really good tool for Zoom meetings, YouTube channels, or simply if you just want really good backlighting to take pictures, family photos, anything like that. This is a nice small travel size one that, like I said, you can utilize with this little tripod here, or you can use it on your laptop by using that clip as well. Thank you for watching.